Hi friends, let me show you this soccer ball that I received as reviewing purposes. It's for my pets, and they really like to play with things like this. Let me show you. You get a basic user manual, okay? This is the actual toy. Let me show you. It has three different handles, okay? And it comes with no air for storage purposes, but it has this pin here that you put inside. You can press it to store it like that, or let it breathe and inflate itself, okay? So when it is ready, you get the tip off, and it has two short nylon strips, and you can put a third one, a short third one, or if you want to play more with your pets, you can put a longer one, like this, okay? So really fun for the pets. Let's try it.